Hello, investors, and welcome back to Shark Investment Research. I'm Ernie, and I'm here to help you find quality, long-term dividend stocks for your investment consideration. Now, remember, these are stocks that have been casting off increasing dividends per share every year for the last 17 years. We might let them have one flat year, but no negative years. Come on, let's dive in and see what we're looking at. Water utilities are a common dividend industry. Let's dive in and see why I chose these two for further consideration.
We are diving right in with Essentials Utility Incorporated. Their ticker symbol is WTRG. Their yield is 2.6% on $39.93. This is effective 9 October 2020. You can see they are not qualified for cash flow or earnings per share. They are, however, a Div 0, 17 years of increasing dividends per share. All right, on the long-term trend, we can see what this looks like. A little bit rocky time out here, but they've recovered nicely and they're on their way back up. Most importantly, though, look at that dividend line. Nice, smooth kind of upward bend to it. That's just the kind of thing investors like to see. In the year-to-year change, we can very clearly see where they took hits that have kept them out of the cash flow and earnings category. But look at that, their dividends, those gold bars every year increasing. Okay, the next stock that we're going to look at, SJW Group, ticker symbol SJW. Their yield is 2.1%, and that's on $61.23. Again, also effective 9 October 2020. Not qualified for cash flow or earnings per share, but they are a Div 0. Again, 17 years of increasing dividends per share. On the long-term trend, well, they kind of rocky just like their predecessor, but they had a lot of volatility here not too long ago. But again, their dividends increasing, maybe not as smooth, but still increasing. The year-to-year shows that volatility quite clearly out here, and those dividends are positive, just barely above the line in a few places, but they're always positive. All right, let's lay them out side by side. That's where it comes in the best. Here you can see cash flow per share, SJW Group outperforming Essential, but Essential has a smoother, if not flatter almost. It's still an upward line, but it's less volatile. But SJW Group is clearly outperforming. Earnings per share, you can see SJW still outperforming, bit more volatility in here. On the surface, it looks like SJW is outperforming Essential Water. However, that 2.1% is on $61.23. We look at Essential Water, it's actually a 2.6% dividend on $39.93. Of course, this is only part of the equation. You have a lot more research that you'll want to do before you make an investment decision. All I'm trying to do is give you a quick dump on some comparisons between two water utilities with some reasonably average dividend yields. If you're enjoying these dividend company comparisons, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's that little red button in the lower right-hand corner. Hit the bell with the all indicators so you don't miss a single episode. And make sure you tell your friends so that they can be better informed investors as well. We're going to have some links coming up here to some of my historical data that you can use for comparison purposes, and I look forward to seeing you on the next session of Shark Investments.